Alright, so if the Play Store isn't working on BlueStacks, yes, that can stop you from installing apps. But don't worry, there are a few quick fixes you can try. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can break the Play Store. Now close BlueStacks completely and open it again. This often fixes temporary bugs. Go to Settings, Open Apps, find the Play Store, and clear cache and data. Also clear cache for Google Play services, since it works together with the Play Store. Make sure date and time are set correctly. Incorrect time can cause Play Store errors. Sign out of your Google account and sign back in again. Make sure you're using the latest version of BlueStacks for better compatibility. Restart your computer and try again if the issue continues. And yeah, that's how you fix Play Store not working on BlueStacks. Just follow these steps and it should be back to normal.